Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Nick today. My mom has actually been sick for a couple of weeks now, so she's been feeling under the weather and can't really talk very well. So I am going to be picking the prompts again for the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge for this week. We'll go ahead and get started with the color for this week. And the color this week is going to be purple. So we're going to go purple. The technique is going to be folded. So purple folded. The theme is going to be about me, so that's cool. And then the 3 items that you'll be using this week. First one is going to be a file folder. Second one is going to be napkins. And I apologize, my voice is also a little gone today. And tool. I think that's how you pronounce that. I don't know. My mom's not in here. I'm doing this by myself. So there are the prompts for this week. As always, remember to use the hashtag SimplyRandomChallenge when you share your creations on social media. Tag Junk Journal Inspirations on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And most importantly, guys, always have fun. This is a fun thing. I love it when my mom puts out these videos. They're always so cool. And I've even seen some of your creations and they're awesome. So, remember, purple, folded, about me, and we're going to be using napkins, tool, and a file folder. My mom did also want me to let you know that next week she will be doubling up, because she wasn't able to put out a video this week because she has been feeling under the weather. So she'll be doing last week's as well. So you'll get 2 of those. That's it, guys. Hopefully you guys have fun with this, and we look forward to seeing all of your creations. Have a great week and have fun.